Hi, we're over here at 61 Fair Oaks, and right now we're in the middle of the rough phase of the project. We have everyone from the electrician to the HVAC guy working over here today. And usually this phase of the project is very busy. And the reason for that is a lot of questions need to be answered before we finish all the mechanicals. We need to know where built-ins are, cabinet layout, type of flooring, directional flooring. All these things are important to know, so when we get to the finished phase of the project, there is no issues with stuff that's already buried in the wall or already installed. So it's very important to spend a lot of time on site and update the contractors about what the client potentially could be thinking for something that might happen 3 or 4 months from now, to make sure that there's no issues. You know, it's everything from the correct location for the gas line for the generator to the height of the baseboard, which is also important. You know, the height of the baseboard is going to dictate the height of the outlets that are going to be going in their house. And so all these little questions that seem minute really do matter during this phase of the project. And so everything over here is going pretty well, and we're just looking forward to wrapping up the rough phase of this project in the next couple weeks. Two feet, you can do 2 feet if you need to. I just want to, so I want to fix this fence so it's nice and high, and then put another fence right in front of it. So one thing here that you know, most of our clients don't like is the ductwork that goes into these basements. And the reason for that is because they invest all this money in having a deeper foundation, which gives them, you know, typically higher ceiling height. You know, in this case, we were looking at ceiling height around 9 feet. Here in this hallway, we had to reduce that to 8 feet, which is, you know, still good, but when you're paying all the additional money for a bigger foundation, it's kind of frustrating to homeowners that we have to just basically build the whole ceiling down now. But in this case, it worked out great. So we were able to run all the ductwork throughout the main hallway of the basement, and we didn't have to basically encroach in on any of the rooms in here. So his office, media room, bedroom, and all these areas will have minimal to no ductwork in them, which is ideal. And the framing plans made this very easy. And the reason for that is most of the joists are running in the same direction, so we can just have one, we can just obstruct one area of the house, then run all the ductwork between the joist bays, which made it work out pretty great here.